Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, so I'm going to put out a little short video here of
Where'd all your buddies go?
whitetail deer that I
Hello.
took videos of from my bedroom window. I just saw them out the other day. There were 7 of them. So I took that video, and then I got thinking, I've got a lot of video. So enjoy.
Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6 over there. There's another, there's 5 up there, sorry. So 7. 7 deer.
Hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I appreciate you watching. See you next time. Let's get lost.